How to change chart time frames in Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. Changing the chart time frame in Phemex lets you view market movements over different periods, helping you analyze short-term trends or long-term price actions. First of all, launch open the Phemex app or visit the Phemex website and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency trading pair you want to analyze to open up its charts. Once you're inside the chart page, you'll find the option that says 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day at the top. Simply go tap on the More option and select the interval you want to use. The common options are 1 minute or 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 hours, 7 days, 12 hours, etc. Just go ahead and select the interval option. And you can select the options such as 1 minute or 5 minutes for short-term trading, 15 minutes to 1 hour for intraday analysis, 4 hours or 1 day for swing trading, and 1 week or 1 month for long-term market trends. So that is how you can easily choose a new time frame or change the chart's time frame in Phemex. Try different intervals to better understand market trends and improve your trading decisions. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.